Okay, so what is the next experiment? So our next experiment is to perform experiment to show working of cross-site scripting using DVWA tool. So what is DVWA? DOM, vulnerability web application tool. Okay, so now I will show how to run this application, how to run this experiment. So first, what are the types of cross-site scripting attacks we have? We have reflected, document object model, and stored XSS. So these are three types we have. So in the reflected XSS, script is executed on the victim side. So that is in the client side. Okay. So script is not stored on the server, whereas the script is stored on server in stored XSS. Okay. Script is stored and executed on the server each time the web page loads. Each time the web page loads, the script which is stored on the server gets executed. DOM. So here the attack happens client side. So that is the attack happens mainly in URLs only. Okay, so in the last I will show how to prevent cross-site scripting after showing the experiments. Okay, so what are the tools required? In LAMP server, you need to have support for Apache PHP MySQL, or in Windows, you need to have install WAMP or XAMPP server containing support for Apache PHP MySQL. So you can execute this program in either Windows or Linux operating system. Okay, so first one, set up DVWA web application through the tools given above. Okay, so now open this web application. What is the password to open this web application? See, configure with all the prerequisite settings, and when the above sit with link appears, log in with username as admin, password as password. Admin, password as PASSWORD, password. So now you got into here. What you need to do now? Get into LHS menu, DVW security, and change the security level to low, medium, or high. So get into DVW security, change the security level to low initially. So now the security level is set to low. Now come back to reflected XSS demo. So here I have logged in with username as admin and password as password. So click on reflected as XSS in it, then type your name. So just type your name like this and submit in the text box. For first, what you have to do is type your name and submit in the text box. So type your name, Pavan. Just see, I'm submitting. See, hello Pavan, it is displaying. Next, what you have to do? Further, try to run a simple JavaScript code given here. So try to run this JavaScript code. See, it is displaying alert box message what I have given like this with JavaScript tags. With script tags like this, the attacker can inject any of the malicious code. Next step is, see, after executing this, we'll get the alert box displaying like this. Okay, click and close that alert box. This alert box I have closed by clicking hello. So what is the consequence of this attack? Attacker can send the same generated URL. So this generated URL, what is here? This generated here URL, he can send it to victim. So if the victim respond to that link by clicking that link, the what attacker can do? Attacker can steal the cookies, and then he can redirect users to some other malicious site also. He can redirect the user to some other malicious site also. So now what I will do is I will copy this URL. I'll copy this URL. I'm coming to this tab and I'm just pasting here. Again, it is displaying. So like this, whenever, see, that is why it is called a reflected XSS, reflected cross-site scripting. See, this URL is reflected. Once this URL is copied, and this can be generated, this can be reflected n number of times. So that is why the name is reflected XSS. So the attacker can send the same generated URL to victim, and victim responds by clicking that, then he can steal the cookies and redirect users to some other malicious site and can cause any damage. Okay, so with this URL, okay, this URL is reflected anywhere if you send this URL. Okay, so with this, the attacker can make to attacker system can be trapped by stealing the cookies also. Next, what I will do is I'll put this. So instead of this, so here I'll write document.cookie. So this is the way to steal cookie information. See, so this is the way. See, like this, the cookie information can be stealed. Okay. Now we will try the same practical. So what it is given here, try the same practical by setting security level as medium or high. Now I will set the security level as medium. Then I will try to perform the same practical. So XSS reflected. Here I'll give Pawan. So now I run this script, alert hello. See, why? So now they have made coming to medium. Now I have set the security level to medium, right? Here the code is little bit secured than compared to low. So click on view source. See what they have given, name string underscore replace script. Wherever the script tag is encountered, so wherever the script tag is encountered, that should be that information given the script tag should be displayed with hello. See here I have used pre tag hello space the name what I have given here, alert hello. That message is being displayed here. The code is made little bit secure. Then come to security as high. Submit the page and go to reflected XSS. Give the name as Pawan. See hello Pawan. Now script alert message and displaying. It is just displaying hello. So what they have made in the view code here, just go and click view source. If array key exists name, so he has given the thing to escape all these characters. See script for script tag left arrow mark we have to include now that is escaped, and other special characters are escaped. That is the reason our code is not executing how it was like this, like before in hello. Sorry, first script when it was set as low. Now you set it to impossible and check. Hello. So here he has removed all the special characters. So here what he has done, he has removed all the special characters. All the special characters are omitted. So that is the use of this. Okay, so what is the use of this DVW application? To test vulnerability in our web app. To test vulnerability in web app, we can use this, go for this DVWA approach. This is about reflected XSS experiment. So come back to the thing what I have given here, description. What this reflected XSS does, script is executed on victim side and it is not stored on the server. Okay, whereas stored XSS is opposite of this. Okay, fine, I'll stop the recording and I'll restart for stored XSS.